Hello internet, I'm back again with my new video, and today's my topic is how to control your brain. Yes, how to control your brain. So welcome back on my channel, and on my channel I'm Pratibha here again, just to motivate you for your life, just to share some good things about the life and my experiences for living a life to good notes, living the life on the good notes. And the today's topic is quite sensitive, so make a video that will give a notice to people who are feeling low, who are feeling negative, and who are feeling depressed, who are feeling left alone, who are feeling negative in their minds, and all the things that could lead us to the negative doors. So I thought that I am going to make my video. So today's topic, as I already discussed, is going to be like how in everybody's life it happens sometimes that we feel negative, we feel left alone, and we want to share some things, but due to our ego problems, due to some hesitation, due to some hesitations and some other issues, we do not discuss our problems with our feelings and the times we are going through with anyone. So we should find a person. Honestly, we should find a person to discuss these things about. So, and the point wise I'm going to cover my this video is the first one: how we can train our brain. Brain is the powerhouse of the body. We can say the brain is the powerhouse of our body, and it directs our every organ to act like that. So how we can control our brain? There are multiple ways we can control our brain. So the first thing is to keeping our brain busy. So I'm not talking about that keep all the time just scrolling down the social media, or keep just reading the books, or just keep busy yourself in doing the things that you do not like. I'm just telling that keep your brain busy in the things that you like to do. These things could be like talking to someone you like, talking to someone in the surrounding of you feel comfortable with, and also keep busy your brain in performing some activity so that it will not go into the negative directions, it will go into the positive directions. So this is the first way that we can keep our brain busy. The reason for keeping our brain busy could be the work. If you do enjoy your work, you can just keep doing your work. Whenever you start feeling negative, whenever you start feeling depressed, whenever you start lonely, and you come to realize that now I'm overthinking about a particular topic, then start practicing your brain to indulge in something. This something could be the work, this something could be worship, it could be the mental discipline, could be the kind of philosophy. So by work, if you enjoy your work, that's a very good thing. But if you do not enjoy your work, the second option you can opt for keeping your brain busy is worship. This is my personal advice to everyone out there, that even if you're atheist, even if you do not believe in any kind of religion, but still practice yourself to worship something. Like have an ideology of your life, that whenever you feel left alone, whenever you feel there is no way out, then please start following something, so that you'll think yourself telling you to worship any religion. I'm not telling you to worship any god. Just worship some peace. Worship whenever you're feeling that I'm left alone. Just feel that the eternal energy is there. There is something that have created us. So we should start worshiping. This could be, I'm not telling to worship Jesus. I'm not telling to worship Buddha or the Vivekananda or any other ideology. I'm not telling you to follow them, but start making yourself to worship any, maybe the Bible, maybe the Islam, maybe the Christianity, maybe the Hinduism, or any religion, but start worshipping. It actually gives us the inner peace. I will tell you is the mental discipline. So the mental discipline is so much, so much important for us. Whenever you are overthinking, our brain goes so much far away directions that we are even not aware of it, that wherever, in how many directions it runs around whenever we are thinking. So it is very much important for us to having that mental discipline, disciplining ourselves, that whatever we are thinking, is that constructive or the destructive. So when you start analyzing that process, that your brain is thinking into the constructive way or into the destructive way, so at that time you'll find how to direct your brain. So whenever you are feeling like my brain is going into in the destructive way, you have to start disciplining it and carrying it back to the track, that no, this is not the direction I should think about, this is not the thing that I want in my life. The very important thing I will tell you about is we are what our thoughts have made us. We are what our thoughts have made us. Care about what you think. Thoughts are secondary. Thoughts live far. This is a very good saying of Swami Vivekananda. So in these thoughts, he have told us that whatever we speak is the secondary thing, but the primary thing is what our brain thinks, what we think. They actually live, they travel so far. So if into the positive direction and make yourself a positive thinker. There are multiple ways that we can train our mind to defeating the negativity. And I am not a warrior that I am suggesting you doing this, but it's just that the life is just a life and the experience and the things that I have studied from my previous education. And negativity is not actually a big war, but this could be end up into a war if we do not fight with this. So just assume that there is something there in around us, there is something above us all who is listening us, who can give us the who has the power of all the things, who can do everything good. If things are not in our favor, then there are things that could be done good by that eternal power. If you will start believing that thing, then you will be supposing from your mind that these good things could be done because there is a power who is working in my favor. So understanding me, we'll train our mind in supposing the things that there is a power who will do everything good. If things are not working in our worshiping, start worshiping. It is our responsibility for making the community a better place to every person. I don't know whether I am meeting a person on the street is what things are going in his or her life, what the phase of life they're going through. So always I'll suggest for everybody out there that please try to be friendly in nature, that when generosity, please be generous with everyone. I'm not telling that only with the human beings, but also with the animals and any living creature out there. Because we are talking with someone, and whenever we are in need of something, we actually demand the generosity of the other person. So if we are demanding something, we should also supply that thing to other person. Start valuing the virtues, the good virtues that can help the society, that can help the humanity to think and to go into the positive directions. The last but not the least thing that I will mention today is count your blessings. Every little thing that makes you happy, please start counting them. Whenever you're feeling dying, people are dying due to the illness, people are dying in Yemen, people are dying due to hunger. and there are thousands of reasons out there in the world. So start counting your blessings, every little thing, just for having a family, having a job, having good friends, having everything, the basic needs of your life, and you have all of them with all the fulfilledness. So start counting your blessings. Share with you guys that how can we train our mind. And the last thing I want to tell you, the last thing I want to tell you for today is a very famous and a very common thing, that our brain is our best friend and best enemy. So train your brain in a good way and in a constructive way. This was the video for today, and thanks for watching the video, and thanks in my videos, subscribe them, because until you will not like my video, you will not subscribe it, I will not get the motivation to share such any more videos. So please do that. And it was a nice talking, and I'm also actually feeling good by making this video, because there was something, the heaviness I was also feeling since last week, but now I'm feeling light. And I hope watching this video you will also get relief if you're going through in any such kind of phases in your life. So stay healthy, stay happy, stay home. So blessings to everyone. Goodbye.